Science Information First, Technical Career Institute, connects to your dream. It offers 2-year technical and vocational courses.
Current restaurant management course is designed to provide skills and knowledge for the position of restaurant management.
With the technician course, this is plugging, development, studying, digital computing, networking. Computer science course, calculator, jobbing, fundamental knowledge, and computer programming, computer operation.
In computer secretarial course that consists of a course of administrative topics designed to develop basic office skills, including keyboarding, oral and written communication, and basic computer knowledge.
That I want to be like. I know you can. If you want to know how I get this course, take up computer technician course and you will know.
Tutulong ako sa pagpapalaganap ng kaalaman pangkalikasan.
Iiwasan ko ang mali pagtapon ng basura. Alagaan ko ang bawat nilalang dito sa mundo.
Isa ako.
Isa ako.
Isa ako.
Isa ako.
Isa ako.
Bring this latte to Mr. Roger and Mr. Harvey.
Yes, ma'am.